there's a high-speed chase. Stupid ass almost wrecked his bike. He's on a suicide mission with this one. Yep, guess your bike ain't working now, motherfucker. Check it out, they got him. He came right flying up on the damn shoulder like a stupid ass. Boy. Do stupid things, and that's what happens. Wow. Unreal. Yeah, I had no idea what the fuck was going on. And I'm just cruising along. Next thing I know, this street bike starts going down the damn shoulder here. And was going around the corner. I'm like, what the fuck is this? I'm like, what a stupid motherfucker to be driving like that. And then next thing I know, I'm seeing all these cop cars behind me. I didn't even hear him. He almost laid it down. And then he went into the opposite side of traffic, went down the embankment, came up. And then I guess he figured at that point he was done for. So now whatever he did originally was probably minor compared to that high-speed chase he put everyone on. I guess he thought because he was on a crotch rocket that he could beat the cops and everything else. I don't know. Man, that was crazy. He almost laid it down. He almost went right into that damn car. I couldn't get my phone out in time to be able to get you a good video, but as you see, they all jumped out. You know, get on the ground, get on the ground. And it was like, suck that quarterback. Stupid motherfucker. You do stupid things, you get stupid prizes. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it wasn't too good of a spectacular video, but as I was seeing the cop's view, kept looking back at me, and like as if I didn't get out of there, he was going to give me some trouble. So, my inspection sticker's dead, so I didn't want to risk him trying to pull some sticks on me. So I got a little bit of the video so y'all can watch. So hope you enjoy. Hit like, hit subscribe, and as always,